Hey everybody, good morning. I wanted to, I don't know if this will be day 2 or day 3 of the truck. We're getting the sleeper off of it, but what I wanted to do right now is give you kind of an update of where we're at and what's going on, because some of the stuff that's gonna happen next you may not see because Trevor's gonna do a lot of it while I'm planting and Cash has school. So I'm gonna just kind of give you an update, a rundown of what's going on with it, what is going to be done next. All right, so here she is. One thing that company sent to us is these rivets here that they got the little nubs on them, you can see there. And I think the reason they did that is so that we have to take a cutoff wheel, cut those off and grind them just a little bit, so then they kind of look like these with the flat heads where you can't really tell that it's been riveted. So there's a whole bunch of those that have to be cut off and redone, and that'll be time consuming. And then what they sent too is they sent some interior. It's just hard plastic pieces that are kind of nice. And then we've got this, back up a little bit. This is the window frame that will slide up inside like that, and the window will go in there. So it's a cool look. It'll actually kind of look factory-ish when it's done, because they, a lot of them had back windows, so it'll look really cool. Now the other thing Trevor's got to do, you can see up here where we pulled those brackets off, that this is cracked. Now that was cracked way before we did anything or got to it, but he's going to try to Bondo that with this truck. The guy that had it before us, I think he literally used a rattle can to do the paint. So there are runs in the paint. I'm trying to find some. There are some runs in the paint that, basically what I'm trying to tell you is we are not professionals. We don't claim to be professionals, painters or anything like that. I mean, it's kind of janky on some places, but it is what it is. So we're gonna use rattle cans when we paint it. The guy got here's the motor in this truck. The guy got the rattle cans at Tractor Supply. So I think it's Oliver White or something. I don't remember. It's not really white, it's cream. But anyway, that's what we're gonna be using on it when we do it. There's Cash's truck over there still working on that. But the guy painted this motor black. I don't know why he painted it black. It's not a black motor. It's a Cummins. And they're normally that tan color, kind of like the color of this truck, but he painted it black, which irks me. I am irked. So the thing is about these trucks that we have, we don't, we're not making show trucks. We make trucks that we use. So they're not gonna be perfect. They're not gonna be show quality trucks. They're work trucks. And I know work trucks can look pretty too, but the places we go into these dairies, it's nasty. A lot of the time, there's not concrete or anything like that. It's mud and muck and nasty stuff. So we don't worry too much about them looking like show trucks. We just want them clean. We just want them to work and to look halfway decent. So that's what we're going for with this bad boy. But hey, the other thing is I want to thank you guys so much. At the time of shooting this video, we have over 500 subscribers. And we're super excited that you guys think that what we do is interesting, and we're still learning. We are still learning how to do this whole YouTube thing, but we want to thank you guys. We enjoy it immensely. We have a lot of fun with it. So stay tuned. We'll keep pumping out hopefully quality material for you guys to peruse and watch. everybody. So, technically we're done with this truck. We got the deck plate tightened down just now, like literally 2 minutes ago. We put shocks on the cab because we wanted to make the air ride work, and without shocks, it just does this, so you can't keep constant speed. It's a disaster. So we have replaced that, or we put shocks on either side. We just went and bought them, put them on. So that looks funky, but it's tight. It's the way this one goes through and is right back here, but this one actually goes into the cab. So unbeknownst to us, it wasn't lined up very good. Like I said, we're Shade Tree mechanics. So anyway, and in order to put this one on and put the other one on, we had to take the tank and move it side to side because it's full and we didn't want to take it completely off the truck. So that's a good thing. The other thing that happened to me the other day as I was driving home, if you look up here, you'll see that there's no glass in the back of the truck anymore. And the reason that is because it fell out as I was driving home. So we are buttoning this up right now to take it to another place. It's like 35 minutes from here that said they can cut the glass and install it today. She was like, I talked to the lady on the phone and she said, well, we can cut it and do you want us to install it? I said, yeah, because apparently we didn't do a good job the first time. So if you would please, I'll have you install it. And luckily they will install it today while I wait. So all I've got left to do now is tighten down these 4 bolts that hold the wet kit on. Once they are tight, I will go get cleaned up because I got real nasty dirty when Cash was helping me tighten these bolts up. I'll go get cleaned up and then be ready to go down south and have them put a new window in since we messed that one up. So, yeah, thank you all for watching.
That's a cheesy smile.
It's like my cousins. It's that smile, that Norboy smile. You can look at the family pictures. Not my family, because we don't do that. But my other family, my other side of the family, they always go. It's like their mom would say, "Show us your teeth and you smile." And they're like, so. Anyway,
That's funny.
That's not us though. We smile like not crazy.
That's hilarious.